Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can withdraw money from Olymp trade. So this is very easy. Before starting this video, watch this video till the end and like this video. First of all, you have to open your Olymp trade app and tap on this top right this wallet icon. After that, you have to tap on this withdraw money section. Make sure you have some USDT in your wallet. Now here you have to wait for a few seconds. After that, here you have to select your account, and here you have to tap on this USDT icon and make sure now go to your Binance and copy TRC20 USDT TRC20 wallet address. After that, you have to paste wallet address in this withdraw section. Make sure your coin address same. So I don't have right now money in my account, so that's why I cannot withdraw money from this. If you have money, you can easily withdraw USDT from Olymp trade to Binance. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.